truth. And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. John chapter 8 verse 32. Ours is an age of philosophical uncertainty, and we no longer know what we believe. We stand uncommitted. Everywhere I go, I ask students, what is controlling you? When I was a student, I had to face Christ. Who was he? He had made the astounding claim, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. I wrestled with the inescapable fact that either Jesus Christ was who he claimed to be, or he was the biggest liar, fraud, and charlatan in history. Which was it? Buddha said toward the end of his life, I am still searching for the truth. But here was Jesus who appeared and said, I am the embodiment of all truth. All truth is centered in me. Prayer for the day. Thank you, Jesus, for my freedom, because you are the truth.